He has a point though there, Salty. Perhaps you should get someone else to help you with those trucks. Not me, of course. It wouldn't be dignified. Well, that's salty for you, Hank. He can't let standards drop just because Porter's away. Goodness! I've never seen the dock sign like this before. What's going on, Cranky? Disappeared? That's not like Salty at all. Have you seen Salty anywhere, Emily? Cranky says he's just disappeared. It's not like Salty to disappear. We better go and find him. Salty! Are you there? At this rate, we might as well be looking for a lost dog. Having said that, I think I've heard an old sailor who had a dog named Salty. Hang on, that sounds like... Salty! There you are, Salty. What on earth happened? Don't worry though, we'll get you out. We could help you if you like, Salty. It'd be no bother. No problem, Salty. That's what friends are for, after all.